Hello guys, welcome back. Today we are going to build websites with AI and this will be really interesting. Without any gap, let's start right away. You already heard about Lovable, Bolt, V0. I think they are very popular for using for website building. But you didn't get any proper resource on how to start, where to build. Is that the right way? What's the best methodology? Today we are going to discuss everything regarding that. You don't need to worry, and I am going to explain very keenly. So, without any gap, let me show you what's the best framework to build websites. Okay, firstly, what you should do is find your inspirations. Inspiration means there are some websites called Dribble, Pinterest, where you can get some sample websites. It means I'll show you a demo right now. Okay, let me go to Pinterest. It's a very popular social media place to get images. Okay, so I'm thinking to build a personal website design portfolio, so you can also build your one. So I'm going to search for that, and I got some videos. Okay, this is somehow this is what Pinterest going to look. Once you get the inspiration from Pinterest and what you like, you make note of that. Okay, after that what you're going to do is paste that inspired screenshots of UI into ChatGPT or whichever UI you feel comfortable with, and ask it to describe your vision and mention how what kind of output you want. And also for your information, to make things much more simple for you, I will give you a system prompt. You just need to paste that and it will ask you some questions. If you answer those questions, your personal portfolio building is ready. So you will get the text from there. You won't be completing the whole portfolio, you will be getting the idea, polished idea of what you can do. Once you get that text to what or what idea you want to build, now you give that whole mixed idea to AI, which here we are going to use Lovable or something similar websites. I'll show you multiple websites and you can figure out which output suits you the best. So after that you'll be taking that. Now at last, if you have any issues, you will use the same UI or the same AI website which you have used and figure out the issues, and you will be solving those issues from there itself. Okay, without any gap, let's start website building. Okay, let's. There are so many websites. I think you have heard about Lovable, Bold.new, V0, but there are some hidden gems: Claude, Artifact, and Framer and Replit. These are some things you might heard about, but on performance they are not so good, or something you are hearing. So we will test it today. Which AI is good for website building? So right away, firstly we'll go to Pinterest and look for inspiration. Okay. Okay, how do you think of this? I don't want much of a photos. I like this. Yeah. There is also another place where you can search for inspiration is Behance. Okay. Oh god. So man. Okay. Okay. What I will do is I'll copy the image from here and I'll go to Chat GPT and ask it to, for your convenience I'll change my model to general model. Okay, now I'll ask it here, uh, describe the UI typography, design standards, and style of the UI keenly. Okay, in even ChatGPT also, by default you will be using 4o and I'm using the same model. You don't need to worry about that. Okay, uh, it's very long. I'll say keep it concise and on point. Okay, okay, this is my visual style. Okay, I got this. So now what I will do is I will go to lovable. Okay, lovable.dev. Okay, here now what I will do is firstly paste the inspired video, and this is the visual design. Okay, I would say I'll paste the visual design here. Okay, oh god, okay, sorry, Windows V, this is what I want to paste. Okay, visual style is here. Now for you guys, to make things easier for you, I have built a prompt where you can ask, first you need to induce that prompt into ChatGPT and it will ask you some questions, what kind of website you want. If you answer those questions, you can get your website copyright right away. So without any delay, let's go right back into it. Okay, here is my prompt. This will give you SEO driven metadata also. Okay, firstly I will this. Okay, it is asking what is the main purpose of the website. Okay, for me is to attract the freelance clients. Okay, next, which key section should it include? I don't know, I would say whichever sections are suitable here, add them. Okay, it's because even I don't know what I want. So here also I'll say what should convey. So the tone of the website should convey playful and creative, minimalist and clean, personal and approachable. The tone perfectly. given. Okay, now fourth question, what is it asking? Do you have any branding guidelines? Okay, yeah, we have just built the inspiration, right? So we will just give our guidelines which we have thought of this. I think this was the one. Yeah, this was the one. Okay, I'll give this completely to it. So it will form me a perfect prompt where I can use this directly into Lovable, and it's give me perfect website in single shot. I will show you. Okay, here if you see the prompt carefully, it's showing build a freelance portfolio website to attract new clients, playful creativity in the tone, scrapey feel book, color contrast, and all of this. Must have sections. You can see hero sections, about me, service offered, portfolio, gallery, testimonials, and all of this. Okay, but here what it has missed is I haven't mentioned for what. Okay, this is for uh, I am an AI engineer, and my skill set is Gen AI, RAG, LLM fine tuning, etc. Okay. Has good knowledge of machine learning. Okay, machine learning, deep learning, and built 50 plus ML and DL models. Okay, let's take that. And my name is GNK Bhuvan. Okay, I'll also give my name. I'll resend it again. Just copy everything here. Okay, take it here. I will visual design is there. Okay, I'll also add photo from my. Okay, I'll go to my LinkedIn, copy the photo from there. Okay, copy image, and I'll paste it here. Okay, let's mention the used. If you remember my second video, I mentioned to use this triple dot to distinguish your input. I have attached my photo to this to add it in my website. Okay, so I will give this, I'll copy the whole thing. So Lovable starts building it. Parallelly, just like Lovable, there are so many websites. Okay, let's try everything. Okay, there is another website, I think you heard in the start of the video. As I mentioned, it's Replit. It's called Replit agent. Okay, I will go to Replit. Yeah, here you can see Replit agent. Let me get logged in. I'm inside. Okay, let me add my photo, let me add my portfolio website, what I am thinking of. Okay, I'm giving it here. This is one website called Replit. This is very similar to Lovable, but let's check it out, which one is good. Okay, just like Replit and Lovable, there are so many websites. Currently, there is this interesting website called rocket.new. Okay, rocket.new. Let's go here and I will paste the same thing, my inspiration, my photo, web page goal. Okay, I think I can't upload. You can only upload one image. Okay, I have given all the text which I want. Let it build the website. I'm leaving this to it. It's designing, Lovable is building. There is this another website called Bolt AI. Okay, let's go here. Okay, let's sign in. Okay, let's paste the inspiration, web page goal, all of this. Okay, let's see. Bolt, Rocket, Replit, Lovable. Okay, it started doing something. Let's wait and see what's okay. It is asking for my permission and it is saying initial version, a creative freelance AI engineer with 50 plus ML projects. Hero sections, contacts. Okay, edit. No, it's good. Nothing. It's good. Let's start building the agent. It's kind of build something. Okay, let it take some time. We don't care about this. Okay, this is one. This is also asking what kind of things you want in your website. I would say home. Yes, this me. Contact and services. Okay, I will take about this. Just okay, just until this the tokens are good enough. Okay, let it start. Here you can see Rocket provides some tokens for your website building. I have already used some tokens previously, that's why I have less tokens. If you start right away, you will be getting 1 million tokens, and that's good enough to build a starting website for yourself. Okay, you will have rocket.new, and similarly I'm building the same thing with Replit and Lovable. Wow, it's it has completely built the whole thing for me within no time. Lovable completely built everything. I will show you this in a full screen. Okay, it has taken my image. You can see this. Everything is interactable. You can see each color. LinkedIn has this color. I can change this. It's responsive. Each button is responsive, and it is showing this click and showing it to scroll down. About me, you can see the copyright. I haven't given it a single text. I've just given my idea to ChatGPT. ChatGPT given me the whole text to insert. I just inserted it in multiple web pages, and see, you see what I'm saying. Oh God, see, see the level of quality you're getting. In 2025, website building is no more a professional work. Even a newbie can do this as simple as this. You don't need to worry about the system prompt. I will provide you the system prompt in the description. Okay, and using that system prompt I have built this prompt, and with that prompt I have given that prompt to multiple web pages. That is the formula. Again, I'm revising the whole thing again. First, you have to select your websites wherever you want to use. Okay, after that you need to find your inspiration. After that you need to refine your vision while giving your vision to ChatGPT, and with the prompt I have given you, you have to mention what kind of website you want. Okay, once you get that, you just give the whole thing to AI, and it will start making results. And after that, if you think some things aren't perfect, here you can see the email address is little bit down. I will mention it and it will sort it. I'll show you. Everything is good for me. Yeah, here you can see Kubernetes text has gone out of the block. Here even it's the same scenario over here, even here. Okay, for this I will be mentioning it where this text in generative AI section, generative AI section, I would say these cards. It's like ML Gen AI, Vector DB, Cloud and MLOps. The text stack mentioned in buttons, the text is going out of the button. Please do sort it out. Okay, I mentioned it, that repair and changes you need to do, and that's what the level 4 is. You need to fine tune or make the changes which or the issues you have in your website, you just need to mention it over here in the chat button, and here it will solve on a click. Okay, but for a single shot the output is really good, I should say. And the good thing over here is I haven't given any images. It has created it of its own, and I haven't even mentioned the projects. It has thought of it itself and built this. You can see even this is everything is perfect. Oh my god. You can see it has sorted out. That's why I am seeing this perfectly. For sure. Yeah. I need to refresh this. You can see it's just mentioned fix the text overlay issue. So that is the reason. You can see this was not the issue. You can see it has completely built the whole thing neatly. Yeah, this was the issue. You can see it has solved the issue, and it's perfect. And the real thing really good about this is here in any website there will be different previews. This is a laptop preview, okay, this is a tablet preview, and if you click this again you'll be getting a mobile preview. And this preview and this all of this website has been handled for every preview. This is really good. Okay, I think the website is clear right now. For you can see, oh my god, see the interactivity. I'm really amused. This was the issue previously, if you remember. It has solved it now. And the one thing I really like about it here is you can see it has even solved the email issue, which was the issue. Oh god. Let's see what's Replit going to build. Yeah, it has completely built. Let's check it out. Here there's a thing where you can open this in new tab. If you have any issues using DevTools, you can check it out. This is for developers and this is not something of our interest. Okay, let's off this. This is screen size. Here you can mention the screen size. For iPhone SE, the website will be looking something like this. Okay, and here if you click on again, I would ask my is an iPhone 14 Pro Max, then you will be seeing like this. If it's full size, you will be seeing the website like this. Okay, now if I click this new tab, it's going to open the whole preview in a new tab. We have to wait a second, it will be done. Bolt is still building it, let it build, no worries. 3 screens selected, it is building, even Lovable is building, let it take its time. Oh my god, Replit built everything in single shot. I think everything is good right now. Oh, it also given a testimony. Oh man, I should say Replit is good without any change. You can see even it didn't give a, a scroll down button, and this is really good. You can see the interactivity of this, and I like this. As I'm a coder, it has given a small code over here. Solve complex problems is a definition of the function, and it is returning AI plus human creativity. The one thing I really liked about it, it used Python, and that's what we use in AI most of the time. Oh my god, there is just this one issue. We can solve this manually, but you can also see the interactivity. Nice, nice. What I really liked here is it tagged everything, and it has given the text tag just below that. Really good. Oh my god, I really like this. I'm saying, to be frank, I'm really impressed what it built in single shot. To be frank, it is really scary. In this preview it didn't look well, but when I looked there, it was fine. So let's open this again. Okay, to show you how this whole developer things work out. Up until now, you when you click the right click, you have seen this thing called inspect, but you haven't tried any time. So today we'll click this, and I'll show you what's the difference. Here there will be this toggle device bar. You have to click this, and for the full screen preview this will be something like this. For 4K responsiveness, this will be for a normal small laptop. This will be the preview, and that's what I have got to see. And for a tablet, this is something like this. And this is not responsive for tablet and mobile. I will say to this website is not responsive to tablet and mobile. Okay, how did I conclude it? I'm showing the steps again. Right click on it, on the website, click on inspect, and click on this toggle device toolbar. Okay, once you click on this, here you'll be having in different sizes. Okay, this is a normal size, this is a tablet size, this is a small mobile size, this is a little bit large mobile size. So here in inspect elements, you can check out the page responsiveness to any page, to any device. I can do the same thing over here with Google also. Okay, let me go to google.com, and I will click the same thing over here. Click on right click, click on inspect. Okay, again click on the device toolbar. Now if you see, this is responsiveness on this dimension is for a website which has 1024 pixels, a normal average size of a laptop. And this responsiveness, you can see the change. And Google is really good website, showing neatly for a tablet also. Okay, now similarly this is for a large website. You can say a Samsung S24 Ultra. This is how it is going to look in that device. This is for a small phone, something like Redmi Note 10 or something like that. You can see like that. And we have got this message from rocket.new. Oh my god, it has built everything. But I really liked Replit and Lovable. I should say I really like Lovable, but this one, if weren't for this bar, Replit was really good, I would say. Replit is really good. Yeah, coming back to the point. So this is how you check the responsiveness of a website, which is done via AI. Okay, if it is bad, just mention in whichever website you're handling it. There you'll be having a chat tab, and in there mention in simple natural language in whichever style it was bad. I am clearly mentioning this website is not responsive to tablet and mobile. Okay, I'm giving it to Replit and it's working on it. Okay, let it work. It's editing, it's working on it. Let's see. Bolt is still doing. Is it still coding? It's coding, you can see that. Hmm, you can see this also in full screen. Hmm, yeah, this is good. I would say this part of this is really good. Oh god, the interactivity. I really like this. Oh god, this is good. This part of the code of the website from rocket.new is really good. Some parts are issues. Right now I don't have tokens to give to rocket.new and mention the issue. Almost my tokens are completely gone. So if I want to make any issues, sort out the issues, I have to go to code, let the code get loaded. It takes some time. In the meanwhile, let's see for Bolt. Bolt hasn't yet given the output. Yeah, you can see Replit is solving the issue. Now you can see even for the tab also it has handled the issue. I can see that in the live. Previously there was a little issue viewing this in the tab screen, but I can say this thing is being handled right now. It's being worked on it. It's thinking, let it take it time. Replit man, replit. Okay, no worries, it is loading some pages, and this is the code preview. You will also get code preview here, that's what I like here, but somehow there is some issue over here, I think. Let me refresh. Yeah, yeah, here you can download the code. You can see all the code over here. Don't get overwhelmed, we will look into it in the next website and the next course of the chapter. There I will show you without any jargon how to handle this code and all of that. We'll talk about this in next session. For now, you can click on this download code and keep it safely in your local site. Don't worry. Bolt is still building. I don't know why it's taking too much of time, but still it's good. Yeah, I want to talk about this deploy button. Okay, here in Lovable, if I really like all of this, with one click I can publish my web page. I'll click this and say here my project name is GNK Bhuvan Portfolio. Okay, I'll rename this, click on it. Once I click publish, it got published. Let's check live. It's live in the internet right now. GNK portfolio dot, as we are using Lovable as a service to deploy, it has given its domain right after my name, but still this is good. 0 rupees. I have spent right now 0 rupees, and I have completely written my code, solved the issues, and also deployed my website. What else you want? You can see. You can see. It's showing I have edited within. I'll close this. It's taking its time to load. Oh my god, you have your website like this. Oh god. Oh god. It's saying it has solved this. Let's check the responsiveness right now with Replit. I think there's an issue with Replit. Okay, I have downloaded the code from rocket.no. I'll close this. Bolt is still working on it. There is some issue with Replit. Okay. Let me refresh it. There's some issue with the internet. I don't think so. It's taking some time. Let it load. But can you see this? Yeah, let me open this in the new website. New page. It's being handled here. Let it load. The output, man. I am really loving this output. Oh god, I got this. Again, what are the steps? Right click, inspect. What you need to click? Toggle device bar. Click on it. Now you just need to click on the web page. Firstly, we'll check it out. It hasn't toggled anything of our website. Normal laptop is good. Normal size. I can say this is good. I will now check the tablet size which had issues previously, if you remember. Now you can see this. It has given me this. Oh, nice. Now you can see this. Oh god, really good. Now it's time for mobile. Oh, you can see. Just like this, you can build any website with no cost, and you can even deploy. Even Replit gives you to deploy. If I click this, I'll deploy it. It's asking do you have anything to deploy? I don't have. It's asking me to pay. Replit is asking me to pay for the deployment, but in Lovable it's completely free, and you can see this. It is my website, 0 rupees, just like this. What in crazy times we live in. I'm really shocked, guys. It's saying something, some issues, but in single shot it was good, and in the second time I have mentioned few issues and it solved it, and website is good to go. And I think we can also download the code from Replit. I think if I believe, yeah, you can see here. If I ask it, you can see I can download my file here. It's downloading. Just like this, I have two sample websites. Oh my god. And I downloaded the source code of this, and I can deploy wherever I want. Oh god, let's see Bolt. Oh god, Bolt is taking eternity to build all of this. Okay, let's wait. But what do you guys think of this? I would suggest you and request you also not just look into this all this tutorial. Start building. I think the framework is pretty clear for you. Inspire, design, formulate, and make your finish ups, or you can say touch ups. Again, inspire, design, formulate, and touch ups. With these four steps, you can build your websites. I would say perfect website right away. Please, please, please do try this. You will fall loving in building websites. I can't talk anything right now. I'm really shocked seeing the pace of AI. Within no time, it is building complete end to end, neatly animated websites for you. And I can deploy that. That's the crazy part. For free. Thank you, lovable. I really love you. Thank you. Oh my god. It's still taking so much time. I think there's an issue here with Bolt. But try Bolt also. But okay, try Bolt, but I think there is an issue on my side. But overall, how did you like the video? If you like the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to put your valuable comments so it will boost us. Thank you. Bye bye.